Hello, so welcome to this series. In this series, we're going to learn how to create a simple blog using Django. First thing you want to do is create something called the requirements file. Okay, let me do that. Requirements.txt. Okay, add. So first of all, we want to install Django 3.0.3. I want to install Pillow 7.1.2. So this just helps for for the project to be reproducible, so you know what versions I used for my project. Next, you want to create a new virtual environment, and I'm using PyCharm here, so I can go to preferences, go to project interpreter, come here, show all, can add a new environment, say okay, and it's creating a new virtual environment. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, now we've created this new virtual environment, so we're just going to click on OK, and we can click on OK. Yes, let's close this. We can close this as well. So we can then go back here, go to the interpreter, and add these libraries. So let's start with Django. Say Django. The latest version as of right now is 3.1, but we're going to use 3.0.3. We click on install. Of course, you can might as well install this using pip install at the command line. I just like to do it this way. Look for Pillow. Specify a version. What version did we say we're going to use? 7.1.2. Yeah, and the install. So this might take a minute. Oh, that was quick. Okay. So you can see we've installed these two libraries, and the other dependencies have also been installed. So at this point, in terms of our environment, we're good. We'll close this. And this is the virtual environment here, and it has the different libraries we're going to use. So of course, if you want to add more libraries, you can come over here and install the library. You could have easily also have done from the terminal, pip install Django, and you specify the version number, but of course requirement already satisfied because we've done this. So I just wanted to show you another way to install libraries if you do want to use the GUI interface in PyCharm. Good. So now we can just come and start the project. Okay, so to start a project in Django is a very simple command. You'd say Django-admin start project. Okay, so let's call this blog project. Okay, you can call it whatever you want. It's create it in this directory. So if you open that, you can see blog project, right? And you can see it has five files, which we're going to get into later, and it also has this manage.py file. So a Django project is a combination of several mini apps, right? So since we're dealing with a blog in this case, we're going to also create those apps. Say Django-admin start app. Let's call this blog. Django-admin start app. Let's call it accounts. Django-admin That's app, let's call it pages. So if we open this, you can see there's accounts, blog project, and pages. So at this point, we've successfully started a Django project and created these apps. So we can go forward and register those apps. So if you go under the blog project, go under settings, all you have to do here is just type the name of the apps. So accounts, blog, pages. Good. So at this point, we've saved these files, and I think it's a good point to just stop this video. I'll continue the next one. Thank you.